So I purchased these roll-on wax kits from Amazon, y'all. This is the brand Informational Only, and I have that one, which was like a rounded head, and I also have this one, which was more like the rectangle shape head. And I'm going to attempt to do a wax on my lady bit. Okay, it comes with everything you need. It comes with the actual wax warmer here that you just simply plug in. It has the cord that goes into that little area right there, and there is the cord. It came with 3 wax depilatories. You have the rose depilatory wax and 2 honey depilatory waxes, and we have the actual wax strip, paper, whatever you want to call it, and the aftercare that you spray on. This helps to clean it off and remove any excess wax that may be left. Of course, instructions, gotta have it. So all I can do is try. I'm just going to plug it in here, and goes in like so. I'm not sure which one I want to use. Let's see. I'll do the honey. So is it a certain way it goes? I'm not sure. Does it go like that? Yeah, I suppose that's it. What we got going on here? Okay, that is on there. So this just gets pulled off before using, I guess. That's to keep the honey in there. Okay, Informational Only. Y'all didn't make that easy for me to get off. Come on now. Oh, hold on. I mean, it looks like all of this should come off. Maybe all of this should come off. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, girly. We in business now. Take that off there. And I guess this just pulls out. Okay, okay, okay. Now I got a little honey on me. I'm sweet enough, baby. I'm sweet enough. I just want to get all of this paper off. It annoys me. But anywho, I guess that's not going to happen. I wonder if it's real honey, like edible honey. So now, the one thing I do know is that you're supposed to keep it upright, because otherwise that honey is going to ooze out. Now I'm going to plug it in. Is that right? How do I know it's on? How do I know? Oh, it lights up. Well, we're going to keep that lighting up for the next few seconds. I'm not sure if I should keep this on or not, because I get scared something might melt, but we'll see and let it heat up.